Good morning. So it's time to go check on baby girl. Baby girl is basically an avocado seed that I've prepared to make sure that she's ready to be. Oh yeah, she's good. See, notice the root is well out the shell. She is definitely ready to be planted. This is the pot we're going to start her off in. And we are presently using Miracle Growth potting mix. This is my trusty hand pump that I'd like to make the one thing about avocado seeds and avocado plants, they are water drinkers. They love water. And not giving them enough water on a daily basis, we're in their demise. This is the root. You want the root to be facing downward. So the rest of her is going to pop up this way. So what we're going to do is stick a finger in, make a hole. If you were in Navy, and I wasn't, I watched enough Navy movies though, but and you put her in and cover her up. And what we want to do is water her back down again, because she needs lots of water. Lots, and I mean, you cannot be overly generous with the water with avocado plants, because they absolutely drink it like it's going out of style. They probably drink almost as much water as a small dog. Alright, now we can move her into a more lighted area so she can continue to develop. This is the final phase of her development. Now all we have to do is wait for her to sprout her wings and start to grow. Now, unlike most plants, she will develop what we call a bark. Most plants, you notice they have stems, which is like really soft. She's going to actually have a bark, which is like almost like a tree, which is really hard to the touch, even at her small size. So we're going to have to give her a couple of weeks to develop. But we're well on the way to doing our avocado plant. Stay tuned, and I will return. We'll probably do like another week. We'll probably do a development check. Week after that, another development check, and then eventually, probably 3 to 4 weeks, she should be sprouting out of the ground, start developing her roots. The only biggest problem that we're going to have is water and pests. A lot of bugs love to eat plants, especially plants that make fruit. Now, she won't be able to make fruit for 25 years. So this is the ultimate challenge, because avocado plants are really hard to grow and let them develop, because they require so much maintenance, and mostly the maintenance is water. She has to be fed water almost on a daily basis. If you do not, she will whimper and look like she's crying. Her leaves will wither down as in a downward motion, as if she's sad. Feed her, leave her out in the rain, she get water, they back up again. So you have to make sure she's well watered. And I mean, water her down daily. We will return. Thanks for watching. And this is Baby Girl in Development.